Welcome to dailypaybob.com, where you will discover your path to success. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to wake up and not have to worry about the daily grind? To be your own boss, set your own hours, and truly control your financial destiny? This is not a dream. It's a reality for many who have dared to venture into the world of online business. Consider the story of Sophia, a single mother from a small town in the Midwest. She worked 2 jobs just to make ends meet, barely having any time for herself or her daughter. One day she stumbled upon an online course about starting an online business. With nothing to lose and everything to gain, Sophia decided to give it a shot. She started small, started posts on social media platforms and creating blog posts. She learned about marketing and creating content and creating in her mind here, perfect customer to target. The learning curve was steep, but Sophia was determined to make it work. Please like and subscribe to this video. Fast forward 2 years, Sophia's small venture had transformed into a thriving online business. She was no longer juggling 2 jobs. Instead, she was managing her own business, setting her own hours, and most importantly, spending quality time with her daughter. Sophia's story is not an isolated one. There are thousands of similar success stories from people who decided to take control of their lives and start an online business. They come from all walks of life, from all backgrounds and experiences, but they all share one thing in common. They dare to dream, to take the leap of faith. The world of online business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards are well worth it. Financial freedom, the ability to set your own schedule, and the satisfaction of running your own business. These are just a few of the benefits that come with being an online entrepreneur. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take control of your destiny. Start your journey towards financial independence today. Learn about online business, take that first step, and who knows? You might just be the next Sophia. You might just be the next success story. Remember, success is not handed to us on a silver platter. It is earned through hard work, determination, and a willingness to step out of our comfort zone. Dare to dream. Dare to take that first step. Please visit www.dailypaybob.com for more details about becoming financially independent. Your online business awaits here at dailypaybob.com. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to this video.